If you own rental properties or manage multiple units, keeping track of listing, tenants, and communication can get overwhelming. That's where apartment.com property management comes in. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to use apartments.com to list your properties, manage leases, and communicate with tenants, all in one place. By the end, you will know exactly how to streamline your rental business with this platform. So let's start by creating a listing, right? But first of all, we have to make an account here. So simply on the top right side corner, you have to just go and click on sign in. Or you can also click on add a property. To create an account, you can use your Google, Apple, or just a normal email address. So let's go to the Google here, select one of your email address and click on continue. This is how you are able to make an account. It's really easy. Once you have made your account, simply just go and click on add property from the top right side corner. Till that time, if you don't know what is apartment.com property management, it's an online tool that let landlords and property managers handles everything digitally, from creating listings that reach millions of renters to screening tenants, signing lease online, collecting rents, and even tracking maintenance requests. It's designed to make rentals and renting easier for both of you and your tenants. Now let's get back to the topic. Now once you click on add property, here you have to enter details like what kind of property it is. So let's say it's apartment, and you have to make sure you just give every authentic answer, I mean option. This property includes individual room for rent with a shared living space. If you do, click on it. Here, what's the address of your property and total number of unit in this building. Once you have added such information, simply just go and click on add your property. Once you have added the address, total number of units, so let's say I will add 2 units here. And once you have do this, just go and click on add your property. Now you will receive a verification code to your email address. So let's get to our email and click on verify. Now here we have to create a listing. So here you can see there's a lot more option. View rent comps report, screen an applicant, invite renters to pay online, draft a new lease document, right? So you can just do a lot of things. So let's go one by one here. So first of all, let's start by creating a listing. And once you are here, now you have to add more information such as photos, floor plan, and even 3D tour if you have them. The more complete your listing, the more attractive it will be to the renters, they are whoever are browsing the site. Now here you can just fill up all this information, for example unit name, and this is how many beds, baths, size, and everything. And you can add your another unit if you have more than one. Then you will move to amenities, right? Then you have to upload your images, videos, 3ds, floor plan, description, your contact information, review all this information, and that's it. So this is the entire complete basis and the process to add a listing. Next comes the tenant screening. So here once you just go and click on true leads. Now the next come is a tenant screening. So when renters apply through your listing, apartment.com give you access to credit report, background checks, and rental history. You can review all applications in your dashboards, compare them side by side, and choose the best fit. This helps reduce risk and ensure you find reliable tenants faster. So here you can just go and check screen and application, and here you can check everything. And if you talk about, let me show you. So you have to verify your identity to do that. And after that, let's talk about a lease. So when apartment.com, you can create digital lease agreement, which you already could show you. So here tenants can review and sign electronically, so no more paper documents or in-person meeting just to get a signature. That is really good thing. And one sign, leases are stored securely in your account, making them easy to access at any time. Now collecting rent is also very simple, right? So for example, you can see here, this is your current and upcoming, and you can create new residents, new paperwork, and everything. Now if you talk about the payments, as I told you, collecting rent is also simple. In your dashboard, set up online rent payments. Tenants can pay by bank transfer, debit, or credit card. You can even enable automatic recurring payments. The system track who has paid, sends reminders to those who haven't, and deposit money directly into your bank account. It's faster, safer, and far more convenient than checks or cash. So communication is another key feature. So you have to just go and click on set up payment. Now you have to select one of your property and set lease terms. So whether it's a fixed, monthly, depending upon that. So let's say monthly. What's the monthly start date? So I will select from tomorrow. You can also add a guarantor and minors. So you can add that information if you want. So it's really easy. And just go and click on setup residence and continue. So in this way, you will able to create everything, right? So that is much more easy. And obviously you need how you are gonna communicate with your residents or with your with renters. So communication is very important through the rental portal. So renters can message you directly, ask questions, or submit maintenance requests. You will get notifications and you can respond right from your dashboard. This keeps all conversation in one place instead of spreading across email, text, and calls. Maintenance management is built in too. So when a tenant submit a request, you can assign it to a vendor, track progress, and mark it complete. Tenants are automatically updated and everything is logged from your dashboard. This makes property upkeep more transparent and very professional, right? So that is a good thing. And you can also create reports. Reports and tracking are also very helpful. Apartment.com give you insight into rent collections, lease renewals, and occupancy rates. This way you can quickly see how your properties are performing and where you might need to adjust and how. So this is the entire all this information. So that's your complete beginner's guide to apartment.com property management. It helps you list units, screen tenants, manage leases, connect rents, and communicate seamlessly on online. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe.